Hey, I look like a ghost. Just look at this. What a ghost. Woo! Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be reviewing the Pond's Skin Brightening Face Mask. Now, Pond's is a company that makes skin products, and over the years they've formed a range of sheet masks which include firming serum mask, wrinkle correcting serum, as well as skin brightening serum. So for this video, I'm going to be reviewing the skin brightening serum face mask. The sheet mask comes in this packaging over here, and the benefits of it is that it boosts skin's glow from within. It contains niacinamide, vitamin E, and C daffodil. Now, the benefits of niacinamide is that it reduces inflammation and it also eases redness. The benefits of vitamin E, on the other hand, is that it heals the skin, it moisturizes the skin, it prevents sunburn, and it prevents the appearance of scars. And then the benefit of C daffodil is that it hydrates the skin with an even tone and also prevents spots. And that's just something that, as you can see, it's a struggle for most of us. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm using it, because of the ingredients that are contained in this product. And so far, I can say this product has worked well for me. The instruction says that you have to remove the mask from the sachet and gently unfold. Place the mask evenly over thoroughly cleansed face. And then you'll have to leave it for about 15 minutes and then gently peel off the mask. This smells so good. The fragrance is so soothing. My skin feels so soft. The instruction says you just have to rub the excess serum into your skin so that your skin must absorb. And you don't have to wash this serum off. You can leave it for the whole day. Can you see the glow? The glow, the glow. I love this. I love this. This is actually the second time I'm using this product, and so far so good. My skin loves it. Loves. And the instruction also says that you should use it like once or twice a week, so you don't have to use it every day. Another thing that I've been doing too is that there's still a bit of serum left in the sachet. So like, you can use it the next day in the morning and just finish up the serum, because we don't want the serum to go to waste, okay? The serum is, it is so good, so good. Makes your skin feel soft and radiant, as you can tell. Yes. This mask is actually good to use if you have dry skin, because it really hydrates your skin. Or even if you have a combination skin, even oily skin, it's not gonna create any oils or anything, because I have combination skin, so I can say my skin feels so hydrated. It smells so good. It feels so smooth and shiny, and yeah. And that is basically the benefits of the C daffodil, I must say, the hydration part. Yes, as I mentioned already in the beginning. And thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.